What is up, you beautiful bass holes? This video is going to let you guys know why my content has not been coming out as consistently as it usually does. As you can see, that's a real estate sign in front of my house. Yes, folks, we are moving. We are going to the Bradenton area of Florida. So for the past probably almost 6 months, my wife and I have been trying to get our house ready to move. We've been painting, we've been doing all kinds of stuff to kind of fix this place up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you guys through our house. Not like a tour, but I just kind of want to show you guys how much time we've been putting into the house. And just to show you that I've not quit YouTube, I'm not disappearing, I'm not stopping, but the channel is actually probably really gonna take a turn for the better once we get down to Florida. I'm gonna try and document the whole move and just kind of keep you guys in the loop, show you the new house, and really I'm going to start the quest for a double-digit bass. So everybody knows that pretty much Alabama, Texas, and Florida have the biggest bass in the country. So that's where we're going. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to saltwater fish again, in addition to bass fishing and all kinds of other stuff like you normally see on the channel. Stay tuned and we're gonna walk through this house. I'll put some pictures of when we bought it throughout this video, and then you'll really be able to see the difference. All right, so this is our entryway. All new paint. I did these floors myself. Really not a fun task. It was pretty brutal, but they came out really nice and the buyers will love it. So coming out of the entryway, which I'll put an old picture right here of what this used to look like. New lighting, new paint, new floors, new carpet going up. This is the living room. Don't mind the dogs and don't mind the emptiness because, like I said, we are not going to be here very much longer. There's the old dipper. You can see him on a YouTube short of him catching some ball on his birthday. Painted the fireplace, new trim all around. I'll put a picture of this room previously. New paint, new trim, new floors. And so going into the kitchen, this is probably one of the biggest transitions. The dogs want to be in the video. I just finished these floors like 2 days ago. Painted in here, redid the cabinets, redid the hardware, new faucet, and I actually rearranged this. These cabinets used to be right here, which the fridge was right here. And if you had the oven door open and tried to open the fridge, you couldn't do it. So this was like just some giant opening. And I'll put an old picture right here of what this used to look like. Pretty crazy. Now we're gonna go through the upstairs. New carpet, this just went in a couple days ago. This is one of my stepdaughter's rooms. As you can see, lots of work done. Got a little blue accent wall. Bathroom. There are light covers that go in here that I made because you can't buy these vintage ones anymore. This was like a yellow. I'm finishing painting that right now. That was the color of the bathroom with like a wallpaper border, so no bueno. And my wife is painting the vanity. If you can see, it's almost like a black. It's called sealskin, which is kind of weird, but whatever. This is my other stepdaughter's room. And then going up into the third floor, all the trim's redone. This is my new little makeshift office because I'm no longer in the basement in the man cave. So this video will be edited right here. But this is all redone. This had some really bad drywall in it, so I redid all that. This whole corner. So, yep. And then the master, which is, looks like a college room right now, but as you know, we are packed up, getting ready to move. So I'll finish this off from my little makeshift office. That's where I've been. That's why I've been so busy. I've been trying to edit old material that I have just sitting on the SD cards to try and like keep you guys subscribed and all that stuff. The content will be back. It's probably going to be chaotic for another month, maybe 2. But now that we're done with the house, I can actually go fish. I can actually go out and do stuff and film and create more content. Keep that in mind. I apologize for the inconsistency and the lack of content recently, but if you guys bear with me, I promise you Florida's going to be awesome. It's a beautiful area. There's ponds, lakes, saltwater, rivers, there's stuff everywhere. So I think the girls and I actually want to start scuba diving too. So that's going to be something else that comes into the comes onto the channel. So bear with me, guys. I'm not leaving. I'm not done. It's actually just ramping up and getting better than ever. Going to be life-changing. Bear with us, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe if you're not, because the adventures are about to get awesome. And thanks for watching, and thanks for your support. As always, go after what you want and never quit.